Did you know robots can now perform surgeries, create art, and even cook your meals? That is the new world of AGI and physical AI, where intelligent machines are taking over unexpected tasks. Welcome to the AI Lib. Have you ever imagined a machine that thinks and learns like a human? That's artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike current AIs that excel at specific tasks, AGI has the capability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of fields, just like us. Picture an AI that kai tau aisar besanti the air isakau air arigi takari to ar askar can solve complex problems, assist in scientific research, and even interact naturally with people.
Natural language seems pretty good. I'm interested in this general idea that we should design a future that humans and AIs can sort of use together, use in the same way. So I'm more excited about humanoid robots than I am for other forms of robots, because I think the world is very much now designed for humans, and I don't want that to get reconfigured for some more efficient kind of thing. I like the idea that that we talk to AI in language that's very well human optimized, and that they even talk to each other that way. Maybe, I don't know. But I think this is generally an interesting direction to push.
Now, let's talk about physical AI. While AGI refers to the general intelligence of machines, physical AI is the application of this intelligence in robots that interact with the real world. Imagine robots that not only understand commands, but can also execute physical tasks with precision, such as assembling cars, performing complex surgeries, and even taking care of your home. Physical AI is changing the way we view automation. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and learning systems that allow them to see, hear, and even feel their surroundings. They can work side by side with humans, enhancing productivity and precision in tasks that require a delicate touch or significant strength.
The next wave of AI is physical AI. AI that understands the laws of physics. AI that can work among us. Of course, when I say robotics, there's a humanoid robotics that's usually the representation of that. Everything is going to be robotic. All of the factories will be robotic. The factories will orchestrate robots, and those robots will be building products that are robotic. Robots interacting with robots, building products that are robotic.
So, how are these advanced AI systems being applied in the real world today? Let's look at some groundbreaking examples that are already transforming industries and our everyday lives. In healthcare, robots are taking on critical roles. For instance, at the Mayo Clinic, robotic surgical assistants use physical AI to perform precise, minimally invasive surgeries. These robots enhance the capabilities of human surgeons, leading to faster recovery times and better patient outcomes. Agriculture is also being revolutionized by AI. Take John Deere, for example, whose autonomous tractors use physical AI to plant and harvest crops with precision. Meanwhile, drones equipped with AGI systems monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even predict pest infestations, significantly boosting productivity and sustainability. In manufacturing, companies like Tesla are leveraging physical AI to streamline production. Tesla's gigafactories are filled with robots that handle everything from welding to quality control, while AGI systems oversee the entire process, making real-time adjustments to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Retail is another sector seeing significant AI-driven changes. At Alibaba's Hema supermarkets in China, robots assist with customer service, while AGI systems manage inventory and logistics. These technologies ensure shelves are always stocked with the right products and help reduce operational costs. In disaster relief, physical AI robots are being deployed to save lives. For example, robots developed by Robotics Systems Lab in Switzerland are used in search and rescue missions. These robots can navigate through rubble, find survivors, and even deliver essential supplies, showcasing the life-saving potential of this technology. Another healthcare example is Rewalk Robotics. They've developed exoskeletons that help paraplegics walk again. These wearable robots use physical AI to mimic natural movement, providing mobility and independence to those with spinal cord injuries. Smart cities are becoming a reality with the help of AGI and physical AI. In cities like Singapore, AI is used to manage traffic flow, reducing congestion and pollution. Intelligent public transport systems adapt to passenger needs in real time, making urban living more efficient and sustainable. And finally, education is being transformed by AI as well. Platforms like Squirrel AI in China use AGI to provide personalized learning experiences. These systems tailor educational content to each student's needs, helping them learn more effectively and efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AGI and physical AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities of AI.